Hello friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'll be showing you how to make cilantro lime rice. To make this cilantro lime rice, I'm just going to start by rinsing 1.5 cups of long grain rice. You can use long grain rice or basmati rice. Once I'm done, I'll let the rice sit on the sink until all the excess water are drained out. Next, I'm going to place a medium pot on heat. To the pot, I'll add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the rice. At this point, I'm going to use a wooden spoon to saute the rice until all the rice turn out golden but not burnt. After 4 minutes of toasting the rice in the oil, it is slightly golden. Next, I'll just add in 2 minced garlic. I'm just going to stir this and cook it for 1 minute. After a minute, you begin to perceive the amazing fragrance. Next, I'm just going to go in with 2.5 cups of water. And then just mix up everything. I'm going to grate in 1 lime zest, 1 small bay leaf, and a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to stir and make sure everything incorporates very well. And then I'll place the lid over the rice and bring it to a rolling boil for 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, the liquid in the rice has reduced. I'm just going to use a fork to fluff the rice, then take out the belly. And then I'll still cover it and leave it to cook for the next 5 minutes until the water dries up completely. Remember, this has been cooking on low heat for 5 minutes and now the water is totally dried up. I'm going to put off the heat and take off the rice. And while the rice is still very hot, I'm going to stir in 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice and a 1/3 cup of cilantro. I'm just going to gently stir and make sure everything is well combined, but be careful not to break the rice grains. After stirring in everything, our cilantro lime rice is ready, guys. This is awesome. You can easily pair this with shrimp, steak, or chicken. Let me know what you think about this easy cilantro lime rice. Leave a suggestion in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, click on the bell button just down below, and also you can like this video and share with your friends. Until next time, I'm expecting to see you very soon. I love you guys. Bye for now.